Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Buckle up because today we have some thrilling news straight from the heart of Ford. The Ford CEO just stepped on the gas and floored the expectations of everyone watching. Get ready for an exclusive insight as we unveil 6 brand new Ford models set to redefine the automotive landscape in 2025. Number 12025 Ford Ranchero. Today we're diving into a vehicle that's turning heads and taking names, the 2025 Ford Ranchero. Let's check out what makes this modern classic a must-watch. First up, let's talk design. The 2025 Ranchero features a sleek, aerodynamic body with bold lines that shout modern yet nod to its vintage roots. Those striking LED headlights and a signature grille give it an aggressive stance that will definitely stand out on the road. Under the hood, the Ranchero comes equipped with a range of powerful engine options, including a turbocharged inline-4 and a robust V6. With an optional all-wheel drive, expect thrilling performance and impressive towing capacity, perfect for both work and play. And let's not forget the tech. With advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, the 2025 Ranchero is designed with your safety in mind. Plus, smart connectivity options keep you in touch while you hit the road. Number 22025 Ford Maverick del Lobo. Introducing the beast of the streets for 2025, the Ford Maverick del Lobo. With its aggressive stance and distinctive grille, this truck isn't just about looks, it's built to conquer any terrain. Inside, you're greeted with cutting-edge tech, comfy seats, and plenty of room for all your adventures. Powered by a roaring turbocharged engine, the Del Lobo makes every drive an adrenaline rush. 0 to 60 in just seconds. Need to haul. With its impressive bed capacity. It's ready for any job, whether it's work or play. Get ready to unleash the wild side of the urban jungle with the 2025 Ford Maverick del Lobo. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button for more updates. Number 32025 Ford Taurus. Get ready to ride in style with the all-new 2025 Ford Taurus. Check out that sleek, aerodynamic design. It's built to turn heads on the road. Step inside and experience luxury. With spacious seating and top-notch tech, every drive feels premium. The advanced infotainment system keeps you connected, with smartphone integration and a stunning touchscreen. And under the hood, powerful engine options deliver a smooth and exhilarating ride. So, what do you think? Ready to hit the road in the 2025 Ford Taurus? Let us know in the comments. Number 42025 Ford Everest. Get ready for a new era of adventure with the 2025 Ford Everest. This rugged SUV combines off-road capability with urban sophistication. Step inside to discover cutting-edge tech, like a 12-inch touchscreen, co-pilot assist, and spacious seating for the whole family. Need space? The Everest offers versatile cargo options and can tow your favorite toys with ease. Whether it's a weekend getaway or daily commute, the Ford Everest is ready for anything. Bold, capable, and designed for the adventurous spirit, the 2025 Ford Everest. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more auto updates. Number 52025 Ford Capri. Introducing the much-anticipated 2025 Ford Capri, a modern tribute to a classic icon. With its bold lines and retro-inspired design, the new Capri seamlessly blends nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. Step inside to discover a luxurious cabin equipped with state-of-the-art infotainment and premium materials, elevating your driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Capri boasts a powerful hybrid engine, delivering both performance and efficiency for the eco-conscious driver. Safety is paramount, featuring advanced driver assist technologies that keep you and your passengers protected on every journey. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the Capri offers a dynamic and responsive ride. With a range of vibrant color options and customizable features, the Capri lets you express your unique style, whether it's a weekend adventure or a daily commute. The 2025 Ford Capri is designed to inspire. Number 62025 Ford Maverick Lightning. Electrifying world of the 2025 Ford Maverick Lightning. This compact truck combines rugged capability with eco-friendly electric power. Inside, you'll find a high-tech cockpit featuring an advanced infotainment system and generous cargo space. With its powerful electric motor, the Maverick Lightning promises impressive torque, perfect for tackling any terrain. Safety is key. Ford has equipped this model with cutting-edge driver assist technologies to keep you and your passengers secure. Joining the electric revolution? The Maverick Lightning offers zero emissions, making it an ideal choice for eco-conscious drivers. So, are you ready to unleash the power of the 2025 Ford Maverick Lightning? Like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.